Here we come to the elevator at the Alfia building in Dallas, Texas. This is in Dallas, right?
Yeah. You want to get a solo on this?
Yeah, because I want to hear the motor. But the silent trip both going up and back down. That was quite a rough start. Hopefully it'll run better this time. It's quite quick too. It's got the metal bumper. All right, back down to one end there. It's got an amazing motor, but it starts up so roughly. This is definitely an older adult or traditional elevator. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end here. This thing starts up pretty aggressively now.
I see.
All right, there it goes, and that's it.